Hello student, today I am going to about the subject economics class 11 chapter 2nd and it part 2nd. In the first part of this video of this chapter I have discussed about the economic system and types of economic system. In this video we will discuss about plan and what is a plan. A plan spell out how the resources of nation should be efficiently utilized. It means that we know that in our country resources are limited. We have to utilize such resources in effectively manner. And through these resources, utilize these resources, we can achieve their goal. The second point is it should have some general goal which are achieved through a specific objective within a specified period of time. This point understand with the help of example. Every person has some objective, some goal, and want to achieve this goal through some specified objective. This is a objective, and through this objective we achieve this goal, and this goal cannot be achieved within a few years. We have to achieve this goal through applied some objective, and the duration of objective should be a specified period of time, that is a 1 year, 2 year. Then this objective achieve may take 3 year, 5 year, 8 years. Then we achieve this objective. At that time in our nation, our country was also made some specified goal and some general goal. We have to achieve this goal through this specified objective with a specified period of time. Third, in India, plan are of 5-year duration are called as 5-year plan. At that time, 5-year duration we have to plan, that is called 5-year plan. When any plan make for 5 years, that is a 5-year plan. Our plan document not only specified the objective to be attained in the 5 years of plan, but also what is to be achieved over the period of 20. Five-year plan can be called a short-term plan, and the long-term plan, that is a 20 years long-term plan, is called is prospective plan. And through this plan we achieve the prospective plan. In 1950, the Planning Commission was set up with the Prime Minister as its chairperson. We know that the first Prime Minister of country was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and as its chairperson they do the Planning Commission as its chairperson. The era of 5-year plan had begun. In that time, 1951, after 1951, the 5-year plan had begun. What is a 5-year plan? The central objective of planning in India is to initiate a process of development which will raise the living standard and open out to the people's new opportunity for a richer and more varied life. We know that during the colonial government, the living standard of our Indian people was low. After getting independence, the main objective is to develop and rise the living standard of Indian people and open new opportunities for richer and more varied life. We studies about the Mahalanobis. The full name of Mahalanobis is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. He was born in 1893 in Calcutta. He was educated at Presidency College in Calcutta and Cambridge University in England. The planning in real sense of the term began with second 5-year plan. Second plan, they start their idea. Second plan, land contribution to development planning in general, laid down the basic ideas regarding goal of Indian planning. This plan was based on the idea of the Mahalanobis. He was a Nobel Prize winner. Second point, the goal of 5-year plan. What is the goal of 5-year plan? The plan should have some clearly specified goal. The goal of 5-year plan are growth, modernization, self-reliance and equity. This does not mean that all the plan have given equal importance to all these goals. Due to the limited resources, choice has to be made in each plan about which of the goal to be given primary importance. It means a goal. What is the goal of 5-year plan? We have 5 goals, 5 specific goals. First is growth, second is modernization, third is self-reliance, and fourth is equity. And we achieve this goal with the limited resources, and choice has to be made in each plan about which of the goal to be given primary importance. We should choose which goal, that is a growth. We should given which goal, which primary importance to which goal. Planner has to ensure that as far as possible the policies of the plan do not contradict these two four goals. Let us now learn about the goal of planning in some detail. This goal, we should give an importance all these goals equally, and each goal, that is a growth, modernization, each have some specific importance in their field. We have to more focus of this point. In other part of this video, we will discuss about this point. Thank you.